Now, when smart contract is deployed to the blockchain, we have here interface which we will use for the interaction with it. Let's first interact with our smart contract by incrementing the counter. For that, we will use this button. Address is empty because by default it is address of smart contract. Amount is the value which will be again transferred from the wallet address to the smart contract address. For example, let's send 1 coin. So, when we click on the increment button, we will be prompted to sign the new transaction. You see there is the value which will be transferred, and there is a fee. Fee will be taken from wallet address and sent to the masternode winner of the block. Then we click on the Approve button. Again, our transaction is in the mempool, and we can see it here in the Blockchain Explorer. Once again, we need to wait that our transaction is mined. Now, when our transaction is mined on the blockchain, we go back to the editor. Click Refresh button and we can see now 2 rows. In the smart contract state, we see that counter, which had initial value of 5, is now incremented to 6. And we have the address, which is recorded with this use of smart contract. Now let's switch some other address and execute same method again. Click on the Logout button, then again click to authenticate. Select other wallet address. And then we will repeat the same procedure. But in this case, we will not send any coin to smart contract and leave amount empty or enter 0. We click on the Increment button, and again we need to approve our new transaction. And wait to be mined on the blockchain. Need to wait little more. Now get back to the editor. Refresh again, and then we can see that transaction is mined. In the state, we can see that we have another entry in the list. Let's repeat this again with the same address. And wait for the new block. Back to the editor, and we see now 1 more entry. Next, we will use view to get the top user from this contract. For execution of this function, because it is view, we do not need transaction. With click of the button, we will get the result immediately. And it actually corresponds to the address which has the entries in the list. You can click on X to clear it. On the Properties tab, we can directly read the state of the smart contract. If we click on the Counter button, we will get number 8, which is the value of counter in smart contract. Here is also Users button, and if we click without entering key, we will get the size of the list, which is 3 in our case. If you enter, for example, key 2, we will get third record. Smart contract is also displayed in Blockchain Explorer. You can see here current state, smart contract interface, methods, properties and views which are accessible by this smart contract. And here we can see all the transactions which are executed for this smart contract. With this, we will finish our tutorial about interaction with smart contract on the PHPCoin blockchain network.